Gentlemen, let me ask you a sincere question. Do you honestly believe that at your age, women are only interested in men who possess enormous wealth, luxury vehicles, or a full head of thick, dark hair? If that's what you believe, I need to stop you right there. That idea is completely misleading. It's an illusion that society has conditioned men to accept for decades. The reality is that something far more powerful than money or physical appearance exists. Most men over 60 already have it, yet very few understand how to use it properly. And once you learn how to activate it, women, including younger women, naturally begin to feel attracted to you. And no, it has nothing to do with cosmetic procedures, designer watches, or miracle supplements. In fact, it only requires about 12 minutes a day. Stay with me because I'm about to share a simple habit that can dramatically change the way women perceive you. While most men your age wear themselves out trying to compete in battles they were never meant to win, you will discover how to create genuine attraction without forcing anything or working endlessly to impress others. But before we move forward, take a quick moment to support the channel. If you're ready to rebuild your confidence and attract women naturally without games, tricks, or manipulation, hit the like button and leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. I truly enjoy seeing viewers from all corners of the world. And make sure to subscribe because every week I share science-based insights on attraction, masculine confidence, vitality, and maintaining mental and physical strength after 60. These are topics that most doctors and relationship experts rarely discuss openly. Now, let's expose one of the biggest myths men have been hearing for years. Society constantly promotes the belief that once a man turns 60, he becomes invisible to women unless he drives a Ferrari, owns a yacht, or resembles a retired Hollywood star. But that belief is simply false. I have personally worked with men in their 60s and even their 70s who consistently attract women 20 or 30 years younger, and it has nothing to do with money, status, or cosmetic enhancements. The reason is simple. They understand emotional and psychological attraction. Here's what many men fail to understand. Women are not lacking attention from younger, attractive men. Most women receive endless attention every single day. What many of them truly long for is emotional maturity. They're tired of insecure men, emotionally unstable men, and men who constantly feel the need to prove themselves. Ironically, the advantage is already sitting in your hands. Nobody simply taught you how to use it effectively. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn Carter. Over the last 5 years, I have dedicated my work to men's health, confidence, and relationship psychology, helping men restore their vitality and rebuild confidence in dating and social situations. And here's the uncomfortable truth that many people avoid discussing. Men over 60 often possess a hidden advantage when it comes to attraction, one that younger men simply cannot match. Why is that? Because younger men are still chasing approval. They're still trying to establish their identity, prove their worth, and gain validation from the people around them. But you've already faced challenges, accumulated experience, survived hardships, and gained wisdom through life. That experience becomes your greatest asset. It's the difference between a restless young man and a calm, grounded, seasoned man. So what exactly is the secret that changes everything? It's something called outcome independence. Once you develop this mindset, your entire energy shifts in a way that women naturally find attractive. But before we get there, let's discuss the 3 biggest mistakes many men over 60 continue to make and what they should do instead. The first mistake is chasing rather than attracting. Many older men still behave as though they're teenagers desperately trying to impress women, prove their value, or use money and gifts to gain attention. Unfortunately, this almost always works against them. Women can feel desperation immediately, just as sharks detect blood in the water. Emotionally, it creates needy energy, and that instantly weakens your presence. Practically speaking, it drains your energy, consumes your time, and often costs you money. A better approach is developing outcome independence. Instead of constantly seeking attention, start building genuine fulfillment within your own life. When a man feels satisfied, peaceful, and emotionally grounded, something remarkable happens. Women naturally become curious about him. They feel attracted to his calm presence because he no longer appears desperate for validation. The second mistake is tying your self-worth to female approval. The moment a man starts asking himself, "Am I still attractive?" or "Do women still desire me?"